Hello, this is Scott Hudgens with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 Forest River FR3 34DS. Brand new floor plan, bath and a half, 2 slide outs. Let's take a look. Large one-piece windshield, LED lights, nice access up front. Nice spot for your side-mounted cameras. Not up top in your mirror. Nice slam latch compartments. You do have a 5500 Onan generator. Tons of good storage all the way through. Nice thick compartments, well insulated, rotocast, nice clean storage areas, drain just in case you got a spill. That is your ladder for the front bunk. I'll show you that in a minute. 50 amp service. Your water, sewer connection, black tank flush, outside shower. Ladder for roof access for maintenance. Your backup camera. 5,000 pound towing. Awning toppers over your slide outs. Again, tons of great storage. Full length awning with LED lights. Outside TV, outside speakers. Battery compartment, hydraulics for your jacks and leveling. Let's head on in. All right, so entering into the 34DS FR3, brand new floor plan. You'll see the large living room slide out, the Oakley Pearl decor. Bedroom slide out in the back. Nice kitchen. Open cab area. Table is removable. And both chairs do rotate around. Got cup holders. Nice workstation, backup and side cameras, Bluetooth, auto leveling. You see the blackout shades that we've got down up front now. Overhead bunk. That is on an electric lift, so a little bit larger, more heavy duty bunk than most. Large booth dinette. So you'll notice right away with the FR3, deeper slide outs, nice deep booth sitting areas, storage underneath, and this booth does make a bed. Theater seating, lots of cup holders, seat belts, hidden storage, nice recliners, and right across from the TV and fireplace. Overhead storage and 4-door gas electric refrigerator. Sticking in the kitchen area, everything flush mounted. Your range acts as a splash guard. Oven, more countertop there, and here on the end. Stainless steel divided sink. You also have the detachable sprayer hose for your sink, very nice and clean. And the countertop area here gives you deep drawer space and underneath storage, which would be a good spot for a trash can. Electric fireplace, deep storage here and above. And FR3 does the deep storage behind the TV. Your control panel for your slides, your tank heaters, your levels, generator, all in one central location. You do have 2 ACs on this. Thermostat here in the living area. Bath and a half model gives you a nice bathroom here. Nice sink and storage area. Exhaust fan and window. King size bed. Overhead storage. And then extra wardrobe space here. And we did get this with the washer dryer. So this is an option which we did equip it with. Tons of drawer space. And again, same as the living room, you got hidden storage behind the TV. Your rear bathroom gives you storage area here for a linen closet and a nice stand-up shower. So a lot of nice options on this. The new 34DS, bath and a half with the washer dryer, 2 ACs, fireplace, auto leveling, great motorhome, brand new to their lineup for FR3. Please continue to subscribe to my channel, Scott Hudgens, Dodd RV. We're located in Yorktown, Virginia. Thanks, have a good day.